God, I just inhaled one of those little styrofoam balls. Hey guys, so today I received a package from Bodega. They have reached out to me and sent me this awesome 12-volt RV fridge, and I'm going to do an unboxing of it. If you guys have watched me for a little while, you have seen several of Bodega's products that I have, and I stand by them wholeheartedly. They are great products, and they work really, really well. They're very well made. They're not cheaply made by any means, but you get them at a good discount price. So this one is their newest model that they have out, and it's specifically for an RV. You can use it in a van or a Skoolie or anything. So what's really cool about this one is that it is hardwired. So it doesn't have your regular 12-volt plug-in like cigarette lighter or your 120 plug-in. It just has the two hard wires that you can add any type of clip that you want to it, any 12-volt clip to it. So this is their model R50. It is a DC 12-volt or 24-volt. It's got 60 watts, and the dimensions are, let's see, 55 inches by, oh wait, no, that's centimeters. Okay, let's do inches. 21.6 inches by 17.4 inches by 23.7 inches. And it is 34 liters or 1.2 cubic feet. And this is a, I'm not going to be able to get this in the shot, so I'm going to put this down on the ground and then lift it up. Now I know you can't see, but this thing comes very well packed. There's styrofoam all around on all edges. Hopefully I can lift this out of here without any issues. Okay. If I can lift it, you can lift it. Okay, so like I was saying before, this is the hardwire type, so you can attach any type of fitting or plug that you want to on the end of this. And then it has a fuse back here in the back as well. Can't really see that, but it's right there, a little fuse. And I'll turn it around in a minute, but whew, I'm out of breath. So this is, the one cool thing that I really like about this is that it has the dual-sided door on it. So not only can you open it from this direction, oh well, hello, but you can close it, and you can also open it from this direction. That is awesome. I've never seen that on any other type of mini fridge at all before. Then you have, this is a freezer up here, which is really cool because this actually, you fill this with water and this turns into like a little ice pack type deal. So it keeps it a lot colder in here. And you can remove it if you don't want it in there, if you want more space in the fridge or whatnot. And then you have your little shelf, you have your little crisper drawer down here. It does have a light in here as well, so that when you open it at night, you can see inside. So another really cool thing about this as well is that you can connect it to an app, so you can control everything right from your phone. And let's see here. Up here, this is your power button, on and off. This is your settings button right here. And then these are your temperature control buttons right here. It has a night light on it. And this side, when it's lit up, you can't see it right now, but it's got the digital reading right here, which is the freezer. And then you got this side, which is the fridge. So it tells you your two different temperatures of your freezer and your fridge. And let me tell you what, this couldn't have came at a better time. The fridge, I don't know if you heard me say it in one of my other videos, but the freezer and the fridge part of my 12-volt fridge that I have in my camper right now is broke. and I don't know what's wrong with it. I haven't tried to troubleshoot it. It's happened 2 times now, so I'm really not sure what the issue is, but I am using right now another little 12-volt chest style fridge that I have, and it holds, you know, a decent amount, but I don't have a freezer section in that. It can only be either or. It can either be a fridge or a freezer, but it can't be both. And so I'm using it as a fridge, but I really like to have one small compartment of a freezer for my ice packs and stuff for my neck and now my knee and all my little aches and pains. So this is going to be great. So now it'll just be perfect. I can keep my ice pack in there, and boom, that's all I need. And then I can keep my overflow of stuff that from the fridge in there and here. So this is perfect. This is awesome. And obviously I don't have it hooked up right now, but I will do that here in the near future, and I will give you guys my thoughts on it and how well I think it is, and I'll probably do a video of me installing it and whatnot, but let me turn it around here for you too. So this is what it looks like on the back. Just looks like your standard fridge. I don't know what all this stuff is, but I'm sure it makes it work the way it's supposed to. But yeah, anyways, like I said, guys, I'll show you guys, you know, what my true and honest opinion is on it. But from what I know of Bodega and using their products already, I'm sure it's going to be perfect and amazing and just what I need. But if you guys are interested in this and it fits or works for your needs, I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to order it from my link. I do get a little bit of money from it, so every little bit helps. And thank you, Bodega, so much for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Bye.